Hi there! Welcome back to the Rustic Studio. Today I decided to make a relaxing video on how to make these cute little pinecone ornaments. Christmas is only a couple weeks away, so I thought this would be the perfect project for today's video. So I'm just using a plastic Walmart bag to cover my area and to catch any glitter or pieces of dirt that might fall off the pinecone. And I just poured some clear liquid glue onto a paper plate, and using an old paintbrush, I'm just gently brushing the glue onto the pinecone. And then just sprinkle on some glitter. This project is fairly easy and simple, and it's also inexpensive and it doesn't require a whole lot of materials, so that's another reason why I thought this project would be perfect for today's video. So whenever I shake off that excess glitter, I kind of like to roll the pinecone around a little bit in that extra glitter just to make sure all the sides are covered. This project is kind of special to me because it reminds me of when I was a little kid and my mom and I used to go for walks in the neighborhood, and she would pull me around in this little red wagon and we would collect pine cones and then we would take them home and decorate them. So that was just a special memory that I had while working on this project. So this part is optional, but I decided to use this Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer just to help keep the glitter from falling off. So if you do decide to do this step, just shake up the sealer really good and just lightly spray one thin layer onto the pinecone. So after letting the sealer dry for about 15 minutes, I went ahead and tied the string onto the pinecone. So just find a place at the top of the pinecone to wrap the thread around and just tie a double knot. And once you've done that, just pull the two ends of thread upward and tie another double knot, forming a loop. And then just dab a little bit of glue onto the knot to keep it secure. And there you have it! This project was really easy and relaxing to make. I hope you guys enjoyed making this as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. And Merry Christmas!